She may be the peace I can't forget, the trace of pleasure or regret, maybe my treasure or the price I had to pay. She may be the song the summer sings, maybe the children that autumn brings, maybe 100 different things within the measure of the day. She may be the beauty or the beast, maybe the famine or the peace, may turn each day into a heaven or hell. She may be the mirror of my dreams, the smile reflected in a screen. She may not be the one she may sing inside her shell. Who always seems so happy in a crowd, whose eyes can be so private and so proud. No one's allowed to see them when they cry. She may be the love that cannot hope to last, because instead the shadows of the past that I remember to the day I die. She may be the reason I survive, the why and wherefore I'm alive, the one I care for, the wrong and release. Me, I'll take her laughter and her tears and make them all my souvenirs. But when she goes, I've got to be the meaning of my life. She